Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short, sweet video. Pretty much in the title tells you what I'm doing, okay? And that is right, I am getting out of racing, and it is no joke. It's not a clickbait video by any means. I am officially getting out of the racing. So I'm definitely going to be selling the car. I'm going to be selling the trailer. If you want to know the reason why, I'm just, heart's not in it anymore. You know, I love racing out there, don't get me wrong, but it's my heart's not there. Got a lot of family life that's going on. I got grandson, granddaughters. I want to spend more time with them. I got, you know, other family members needs my help. It seems like each time I try to do stuff, racing kind of interferes with it. Yeah, I could probably set out for a year or two, but you know what? I don't know if my heart will be back in it after a year or two, and I sure as heck don't want this thing sitting for a year or two, and I don't want the car sitting that long. It's not good on these things to set that long. I'd rather have someone else has the passion, wants to get out there and race or use the trailer. Who knows? This might not be used for race. It might be used for something else. I don't know. Same way with a car. It might not be used for racing. Hope it is. It's a good car, but I just don't want these sitting here. So that's the reason why I'm getting out. So I will still be around the track and stuff. Me and Pops will be going to the races every once in a while, so we'll still visit you. I met a lot of friends racing between Tulsa and Mocan and some other tracks. I'm going to miss it, but I'm not going to stay away long, but I will be out to visit and all that stuff. You'll probably see us on a golf cart driving around, and that's probably about the extent of it. So with that, like I said, this is just a quick video, just to let you know why I'm selling and all that good stuff. So if you know anybody that's looking for a car or a trailer, man, point it to my channel. I have everything in there. The videos will have all the links to the pricing and all that good stuff. It will have the links to the still pictures. I took a lot of pictures of the car, underneath, inside, all that as well. I took a lot of pictures of the trailer as well, inside, outside, all that good stuff in those videos. And in the comment section we'll have a phone number directly to me, and also has an email address that's directly to me. So I'd be more than happy to send you any information about the trailer. I'd be more than happy to talk to anybody about the trailer and the car. I mean, if we can make a package deal and get them both in one shot, I'm open for that. So anyway, with that, it's been fun, it's been real, and we're not done racing yet, but if one of these things go, we're done. So with that, thanks for watching. Hopefully things work out.